So what's up, peeps? Welcome to another Monday tutorial video. I am here with my friends, shooting, having some fun. It's their first time on the channel. Show them some love. Way too much energy this early in the morning, but we gotta turn it up a bit. We are talking today about magic hour. Magic hour. Magic hour is that time in the morning or in the nighttime, sunset, where you could get the best light. And that's what we're chasing. We're chasing that light. And today, I'm going to show you the best tips to take advantage of magic.
It's the cops, man.
So tip number one to take advantage of magic hour is get up early. And when I mean early, it has to be dark outside. Search on. So there's some apps like Sun Surveyor, you could use Google Maps, all that cool stuff, but prepare yourself before you head out to shoot on golden hour. It's not just because it's golden hour or magic hour that you're gonna go ahead and get the best results. So for example, today I did check the weather, I checked a little bit about the location, I looked at some Google photos because I didn't have a chance to do a test shoot. But I was able to do a lot of the research beforehand just by going on the computer. And then when I got there, I was pleasantly surprised. I mean, it was a very clean trail. It was a nice area to be in and to shoot. It's just the sun and the lighting conditions didn't really work out to the best of the ability that it could have been for golden hour. So I didn't get to show you guys that sweet, like, nice fade gradient that you get in the sky where it'll go from like maybe a dark orange to a very light orange, or you'll get those pinks and purples and things like that. But maybe next time. I'm gonna be doing a lot more shoots earlier in the morning on sunrise, so stay tuned for those. But in the meantime, you know the deal. If you enjoyed the video, if this is your first time on the channel, consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. I'm working really hard to make sure I get content out for you guys, and I get content that you really enjoy. So consider subscribing. If you really like this video, if you like some of the tips that I gave you today, consider pressing that little bell there on the lower right hand side. That way you'll get notified every time I release these Monday tutorials. And if you really like it, head over to Instagram and follow me on there. I'm gonna post some of the shots I got today on Instagram, and I also do some stories so you guys can stay in tune with the things that I do throughout the day. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You guys have an awesome day, and I will see you next Monday.
Adventure.